Question number 5. The spring constant, a spring obeys Ohm's law and a spring constant. The spring is extended horizontally. The extension to the spring is x. So when released, the spring returns to its original length in time delta t. Okay. What is the average power developed by the spring as it returns to its original length? The average power is being asked. So let us draw the diagram to understand it better over here. So I have a spring which is stretched horizontally like this. Okay, and then when you release this one, the extension of the spring is x. When released, it returns to its original length in time delta t. Released, this becomes like this, comes to this position over here. The displacement here is seen to be x over here. Okay, and this happens in a time delta q. What is the average power? Now, why should it extend? Why should it come back to it? Because it has a restoring force and it will have some energy stored into it, which makes this object to be pulled by it, right? So therefore, the energy which it has been stored over here is seen to be half kx squared. Okay, and then when I ask you about the average power, what is average power over here? Average power is nothing but energy divided by time. So I will divide this by delta t